let's try another example. I want to answer the question, does the line L of t equals 3t, comma 2t, comma t plus 24 intersect the xy plane? If so, where? Just give me a little...
xy plane, the absolute value of z.
The xy plane is something to do with z.
Z equals 0.
Z is 0.
So, is it parallel
So,
to the plane?
Yeah, so is it
it's-
parallel to something in the plane?
Well, it starts at 0, 0, 24.
Okay, so I can get maybe a start of a picture, right? So it starts up here at 0, 0, 24.
Okay, and then does
And
it
then
end-
this slope is what?
slope is 3, 2,
Positive
1.
line.
Yeah, 3, 2, 1.
Okay, so what's the vector 3, 2, 1 look like?
That way?
Which way?
I don't know which way is...
Up at an angle, right?
Yeah, it's up at an angle, but I don't know which way is x and y. Is that x? I mean,
Okay.
Okay, if I help you like that, it's
kind of.
this way, kind of?
Yeah, shot up an angle.
Maybe actually that way, right?
Yeah, it's
If this is the xz plane and y is straight in, it's gonna go
3x,
that
2y,
way.
1z.
So it looks.
So goes something
That's
like that.
way too tall. Should be almost flat.
Good point. So I should go over 3, back 2, up 1.
Yep.
Something like that, maybe.
So
Okay.
yeah, it looks. If you. Well, the line goes both ways.
Yeah, okay, so this is just the displacement vector, right? So the line really continues.
So eventually
But
it
at
hits
some point
the,
it has to.
And so at some point it has to. Why?
It's not parallel with...
Yeah, it's not somehow parallel to that line, right? It rises in the z's, really being the important thing. Okay, see that? Okay, so if I go the other way, right? If I go forward in time, it rises in the z. If I go back in time, it
Lower.
falls in the z, right? Lowers in the z. So how do I figure out where this hits or something?
Set z equal to 0.
Good, set the z component equal to 0, right?
Okay.
Okay, so
Let's see if there's just negative
t
24.
plus 24 is 0. So
Negative
t is
Negative 24.
negative 24.
So then you would just plug those in for your 4 values.
Yeah.
Or 3 values.
Oh,
D-
good.
D, yeah.
So this tells you the time at which it hits, right?
Yeah.
But you really care about the point at which it hits. So what's the point at which it hits?
Looks like
Negative
negative 72,
72,
negative
negative
48, and 0.
Negative 72, negative 48, and of course 0, right? And where did you get this number? What did you do? If I wanted a nice label, that number was
It's negative 22.
Yeah.
L evaluated at negative 24. Perfect. Cool.
This is large spider that you're seeing. Fell. And that's climbing.
All right. So what's your final answer to this?
No.
It does intersect the XY plane.
So yes,
And there.
at this.
So you know that it's falling on that side, so you're gonna.
Yeah. So I know that if I go forward in time, right, it goes up in z. So if I go back in time, it's going to go down in z.
And that 3, 2, 1. Where'd you get in that 1? Oh, that's just for the t. Okay.
Yeah, that's reading the coefficients on t off, right? So that's looking at this thing and saying, okay, slope here
Yeah.
is 3, 2, 1, or anything parallel to 3, 2, 1, right?